I'd like my bike back.
All right, here's a video where we have to prove one side is equal to the other side. So it's a proof. Prove that this side is equal to this side. Okay, I would maybe start with the ugly side. So that I would say is the right side. One thing I'm going to do maybe is I'm going to change this top thing to a primary ratio. It'll make a complex fraction, but hopefully that'll be okay. So I'm changing it to 1 over sine squared theta over, and then on the bottom I'm going to do the same thing for these guys. So this will be 2 times cotan is the same as cos squared theta over sine squared theta. Okay, because cot is the reciprocal of tan, and tan is sine over cos. So cotan is cos over sine. And if this one's squared, then so are those. Okay, and then cosecant squared is 1 over sine squared. And then I notice that the bottom here is a common denominator. So I can collect them. So I have 1 over sine squared theta over 2 cos squared theta minus 1 over sine squared theta. Okay, complex fractions, so I like to rewrite them like this. 1 over sine squared theta divided by 2 cos squared theta minus 1 over sine squared theta. And if you're dividing fractions, you can invert and multiply. So I leave the first one alone and I change the divide to a times, and then I flip this one over. So it'll be sine squared theta over 2 cos squared theta minus 1. And then, because I'm times in here, I can cancel this and this. So on the right side, I get 1 over 2 cos squared theta minus 1. At that point, I'm fairly comfortable with that. And if I look over on the right side here, I do see that exact thing right there. So if I can get the left side to be that, then I'm done. So secant 2 theta, oh now secant is the reciprocal of cos. So I can write that as 1 over cos 2 theta. But then cos 2 theta, that's this one, is equal to this, this, and that. And this is the one that's on the right side. So I can rewrite cos 2 theta as 2 cos squared theta minus 1. I have the same thing on the left as I do on the right. Therefore, this thing is proved. I am so smart, SMRT. Okay, that's a nice proof, that one.